Hello fellow investors and welcome to IPA, the Ideal Project Analyzer. In this session we'll be showcasing our automation package. Our goal here is to demonstrate how you can analyze a property and deliver up to 6 exit strategies in less than 5 minutes. As we click on the Start Investing Here icon, IPA takes us to the input sheet. Here we simply enter a property address, select a type of investment, and enter any applicable note details. When finished, we simply click on the Analyze button. This will take us to the Analyzer sheet, where we'll find a series of helpful buttons across the top, one of which is a Fetch All button. When clicked, watch as IPA automatically brings in property-related information, starting with property details, then a property image, estimated online values, demographics, comps, and finally delivers a conservative calculation based on a set of assumptions. In this case, the calculations were set to 55% of UPB. As you can see, IPA gathered and calculated the data within 1 minute and 31 seconds. The last thing we need to do is enter an as-is value. This will complete the wholesale calculations, giving us full power to explore each exit strategy, starting with fix and flip, then wholesale, rental, selling at foreclosure auction, reperforming the note, and flipping the note. Everything in IPA is dynamic. To further illustrate this point, let's change some numbers starting with the as-is value. Set the annual insurance to $1,300. Include back taxes of $316. Uncheck winterization and cash for keys. Now we go to the assumptions and change the foreclosure attorney allotment to $1,000 and foreclosure time to 8 months. As we go back to the IPA analytics, we see a summarized graph for ROI, profit, and capital invested, all showing positive numbers, which means this asset has many potential options and is a deal worth pursuing. To recap, in less than 5 minutes we were able to input our investment criteria, perform an online due diligence check, and explore up to 6 different exit strategies. This example was an actual Revival Brothers investment and was sold as a wholesale deal, yielding 86% ROI over 12 months. Once again, proving the power of IPA and predictive analytics.